In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to install Tailscale on Windows. Let's get started. First, open your web browser and navigate to the official Tailscale website. You can do this by typing out the URL tailscale.com/download into your browser's address bar. Once you hit enter, you'll be directed to the download page. This is an important step because downloading from the official site ensures that you're getting a safe, up-to-date version of the software. Once you're on the download page, look for the option that says Download for Windows. This is usually a prominent button, making it easy to find. Click it to start the download process. By clicking this button, you're initiating the download of the installer specifically designed for Windows systems. This step is essential because it ensures compatibility with your operating system, preventing any potential issues during installation. After you click, you should see the download begin in your browser's download manager. Now that the download is complete, locate the file in your Downloads folder. It will be an executable file, often with a DEXE extension. Double-click to run this installer. Running the installer is crucial as it sets up the application framework on your computer, preparing it for the upcoming configuration. A user account control prompt might appear, asking if you want to allow this app to make changes to your device. Click Yes to proceed. This is a standard security feature in Windows to ensure you're aware of changes being made to your system. With the installer running, you'll be guided through the setup wizard. The wizard will open with a welcome screen. Click Next to proceed to the following steps. This wizard is designed to streamline the installation, providing a user-friendly interface for setting up the software. It ensures that all necessary components are installed correctly. At this stage, you might be offered the option to customize the installation, but for most users, the default settings are ideal. They're optimized for general use and ensure that Tailscale will run smoothly on your device. Continue by clicking Install. This action prompts the wizard to begin the actual installation process. You might notice a progress bar indicating how much of the installation is complete. This visual feedback is helpful for monitoring the process. The installation shouldn't take long, typically just a few minutes depending on your computer's speed. Once the installation is complete, you will see a message confirming that Tailscale has been successfully installed on your system. This confirmation is reassuring because it tells you everything went as planned. Now Tailscale is ready to be launched and configured according to your needs. You're all set to explore its features and start using the virtual private network capabilities it offers. Remember, understanding each step in this process is key to ensuring a smooth installation. Installing software correctly not only enhances performance but also ensures security and stability. This process you've just completed is the foundation of a secure and efficient networking experience. Thank you for following along in this tutorial. You've successfully installed Tailscale on your Windows machine. Feel free to explore its features and leverage its capabilities to enhance your network security and connectivity. Until next time, happy networking!